Let us take a very interesting example. So this is given 11 to the power x plus 13 to the power x plus 17 to the power x minus 19 to the power x equal to 0 has no real root, only one real root, exactly two real root, more than two real root. So how we solve? So first, if you write this in this form equal to 19x, and if you divide it by 19x, so this will look like in this form 13 by 19x plus 17 by 19x equal to 1. And let us take this is fx equal to gx. So we assume this. So where fx is this one, that is 11 by 19x plus 13 by 19x, 17 by 19x, and gx equal to 1. So now we draw this y equal to fx function and y equal to gx function, and we see these two curves, where these two curves cut in this xy plane. So we find the intersection point of these two curves in xy plane, and that will conclude the number of exact root for this equation. So from this equation, if fx is this, we get if x equal to 0, then 0 0 0, that is f0 will be 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. Okay? So if you write it, so this is x, this is y. So at 0, when x equal to 0, f of x will be value 3. Okay? And whenever x is large than any number, that is x tends to infinity, when x tends to infinity, this f x tends to 0. Why? Because this total number, what, 11 by 19, 13 by 19, 17 by 19, all are less than 1. So that's why less than 1 to the power infinity goes to 0. So this will 0 0 0. So ultimately fx tends to 0 when x tends to infinity. So that means, so curve will look like this when x is large here, and this will cut here. And one another thing, if x will be negative, then this will be 19 by 11, that will be greater than 1. So that's why when x tends to minus infinity, then fx tends to infinity. So that's why this will look like this. Okay. And if you put y equal to gx, so gx equal to 1, so this is 3, so 1 2, so this will be y equal to zx, so which is equal to 1, and this curve is y equal to fx, which is given this. So therefore this curve and this curve cut exactly at 1 point. So this implies that this equation will have exactly one real root. So this is the correct option. This equation has only one real root. So if you like it, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. It will be very beneficial for your upcoming net exam. So thank you very much.